The SEBO Mechanical 350 upright vacuum represents the pinnacle of German engineering, offering commercial-grade durability, power, and ease of use. Built to excel on both carpets and hard floors, this vacuum features a 14-inch power head with a 12.5-inch cleaning path, perfect for deep cleaning and pet hair removal. It prioritizes mechanical reliability, featuring a foot-activated on-off switch and an easily replaceable 39-foot external power cord. Its 5.5-liter dust bag reduces frequent changes, and advanced filtration ensures clean air. With a manual 4-level brush height adjustment and a robust design, the Mechanical 350 ensures versatile and efficient cleaning. Backed by a 10-year warranty, this vacuum offers advanced features and hassle-free maintenance, making it an ideal choice for both residential and commercial use.